This is Brett Moomey with Skipper Bud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of this brand new listing, which is a 2020 Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. The boat is just going on market prior to spring launch, and the boat's currently here in storage, so not the most ideal showing conditions until she gets splashed in. This boat is very well optioned, including a starboard docking station, as well as the cockpit ice maker option. It's powered by Volvo twin IPS 700s. This particular owner did option for the Seakeeper SK6 gyro stabilizer. He did a number of custom options or custom factory options, like a mount for the TV that'll allow it to swing out in multiple positions, as well as some custom storage down in the master. There's dual fridge freezer, and then a third over here with a microwave convection oven. There's a dual electric burner, very large stainless sink, storage on the top. This boat is optioned with the high gloss. With a nice fabric selection, custom fabric selection for the seats in here. This is a folding table. It's a little bit more space depending on what your needs are. This boat has a very nice power sunroof, opening windows both starboard and port. Full Garmin glass cockpit. We're showing 81.6 and 83.3 on the hours before she goes in this season. This is one of the best laid out 50-foot express cruisers in class. These are very large, almost 6-foot bunks. They can be used for an adult, large hanging locker. This owner opted for the entertainment system in the third stateroom here. And a very well laid out power panel with all your controls right there. Moving into the VIP. Very large VIP. I'm 6 foot and have probably 8, 9, 10 inches head clearance in here. Large hanging locker. Again, the optional entertainment system for the VIP. Plenty of space to make the batter get in or out on either side here. And a very large shared head for the VIP. Again, you've got 6.5 feet plus clearance in all of these rooms. There's your access back to the head again. And going into the master. Over here you have a very large hanging locker with storage and some additional storage / access to electronics in a separate cabinet behind. Very good size head with quite a bit of storage. And again, a tall shower. And by far my best experience on a full beam master in a 50-foot boat. Very large bed. The seating area is nice for underway. The huge hull windows make it kind of cool to see the water breaking as you're underway. And then some nice storage options were selected on this boat. Again, with all the high gloss. Large TV, and then a combo washer dryer unit. Bose surround sound stereo system. Nice solid tile backsplash for the headboard, mirrors behind the master bed. And worth noting how large these opening portholes are. They're very efficient at letting fresh air into the boat.